next to a dusty road, from Lightning Ridge to the growing opal fields, when no one needs to know my name, and I spend my day working my claim. All the locals round here know the deal. Yeah, through the heat and the dust and the flies, well, I'm working that old opal mine. An old caravan serves as my home, and I prefer to work alone. I know I'm nearly close to a big find. When I find the striker here, I'll tell no one, just disappear. Hit the road and leave it all behind. Yeah, through the heat and the dust and the flies, well, I'm working that old opal mine. Here I work my claim on my own, 'cause I'm chasing that fire in the stone. Through the heat and the dust and the flies, well, I'm working that old opal mine. Here I work my claim on my own, 'cause I'm chasing that fire in the stone. Here I work my claim on my own, 'cause I'm chasing that fire in the stone.
Life is what you make of it, there's magic to be found. I have seen the moon and stars 45 feet underground, and I have seen the lightning from 1,000,000 years ago, dancing in a seam of opal. Call me Johnny Jones, boys, call me Johnny Jones. I have moved 10,000 tons for a single bucket of rough, and I have fought 100 men who thought they had the stuff. They all tried to knock me down with uppercuts and hooks. On one thing they can all agree, it's harder than it looks. Boys, call me Johnny Jones. When I'd had enough of shamans, boxes, and the smell of sheep, I unloaded freighters that sailed in from the deep. Now a rich man doesn't get that way because he likes to share. So we organized the wharfies to make them pay us fair. Boys, call me Johnny Jones. lightning rich, digging for the opal, and sure I'd soon be rich. But there's more to buried treasure than digging a few holes. You gotta work your ass off and feel it in your soul. Now some would call me Mr. Jones, and some the Opal King, and some call me the bastard that knocked them from the ring, and some call me a gambler that won it all by chance. I'm just a Parramatta boy who's not afraid to use his hands. Boys, call me Johnny Jones, call me Johnny Jones. Boys, call me Johnny Jones.
Twisters on the farms of Lightning Ridge, and the towns with modest people see the dry creeks from the bridge. On a night where there's no troubles, just party to let free. Get your dancing boots and hunky utes and sink a sea.
You can go by the vibration. Once you put them in, you don't need to put the equipment in too tight. And then over time, you give them a bit of a hit, a bit of vibration in them. They feel alright. Root sounds pretty good. It stops making that noise, a bit of a stamp sound. Doesn't mean anything. Just means your roots are working a little bit. It's sagging a little bit because you've opened up this area. But once you see clay, not clay, once you see sap squeezing through, or they start bending like a banana, or clay getting curled up because it's been pushed in the ground, then it's something to worry about. The roots take it.
Ground is hard, wheat is fast, and the sun is beating down. In this time of drought, you should get out and smile instead of frown. Stand around or dance about your family or need. Sing the songs you know like Billy O and wipe aside your tears.
We want you to have a night out with your friends. Now times are tough, we hope you know that city folks do care. We want to help your situation out in open air. It's about some heroes that you are, true Aussies in despair. We want you to have a night out with your friends. Times are tough, we hope you know that city folks do care. We want to help your situation out in open air. It's a battle of heroes that you are, true Aussies in despair.
We're going to carve some more when we go into one day.
Yeah, no, do that.
I thought I like Charlie Chaplin better. Oh, so you're too good, is it? Oh, so this is where the coffee is served, you don't know where it is, so all you've been to prove it. Diamond God. Coming by souvenirs. Spent up here, so.
Get off the road, you bloody idiot. Bloody old retired, grey hair and glasses. Get off the road. Run over you, me bloody Kenworth, old flat. Oh no, coming to a railway crossing. I hope it rubs the old mongrel out. Good on you, Dad. congratulations, you got all your super from serving the nation. And now at long last you can fulfil your dream and go round Australia where your mates have all been. Grey hair and glasses, oversized asses, slow-moving caravans, nobody passes, swaying along at 70 clicks all over the road like a mad woman. Dad bought a JK and a four-wheel drive Nissan and a big Engels cartridge to keep all his piss in. Got a tinny on top and an Akubra hat. Ah, 4 jerry cans, we've got to have that. See, she sits beside him, tries hard to guide him, 'cause old Dad's the one that'll do all the driving. Eyes on the road, front and behind, with his bifocal glasses, the oldster's blind. She'd rather stay home and be with the grandkids than go round Australia like everyone else did. You see, but she'll have to go and look after old Dad, 'cause he's more bloody childish than the grandkids they have. So grey hair and glasses, oversized asses, slow-moving caravans, nobody passes, swaying along at 70 clicks all over the road like a mad woman. Good on you, Dad. Oh, you're a classic. You take your time, Dad, and hold up all the traffic, 'cause you're in no hurry, your working day's done, and you can take your time and they can all kiss me bum. So grey hair and glasses, oversized asses,
Lightning Ridge.
caravans, nobody
We
passes,
found the biggest opal up here,
at 70
a Holy
clicks
Comet
all
opal.
over the road like a mad woman.
We'll see you a lunatic digging up here
They'll
and
listen to
don't
me.
let someone pull
See,
out.
it's like a bad habit, like smoking tobacco. Flaming old knacker with his bloody bird calls. Boring old bart, but we love him and all. Then every hour, well before dark, Dad backs the van in a caravan park. Gets out of the car, lets out a terrible fart. Oh, Mum won't let me do that when I'm driving the car. She gets out next and goes straight for the loo, 'cause that's the first thing when you pull up women do. Then it's out with a barbie and chuck on a chop. It's 7:15, we better hop in the cot. Then next morning, they reach for the map, slip on the bifocals to see where you're at. Then it's out on the road and follow the sun, all over the road and hold up everyone. I suppose you deserve it, you cranky old fart. See, there's hundreds of you blokes in caravan parks. I know, 'cause I've been there, seen it how true, and in a few years from now I'll be doing it too. So grey hair and glasses, oversized asses, slow-moving caravans, nobody passes, swaying along at 70 clicks all over the road like a mad woman. So you short-tempered truckies that sit on your horn, and you wish that them old farts had never been born. Spare 'em a moment, see things aren't that bad. The old bloke you're honking could be your own
It's the
dad.
vastness
So
of it.
grey hair and glasses,
It's the vastness of the sky and the cosmos.
caravans, nobody passes.
With the opal, it's another vastness. You actually can disappear into that opal in the same way.
Get off the road, you mug! God! Bloody old grunt! Get out! Yeah, well, you know, this is a Walgett song. So I come from Walgett, up around that area, Lightning Ridge, Walgett. And we had a concert up there recently. My missus didn't perform in it, but geez, when she got here, performed well when she got home. We had it for the drought relief. So bloody dry in Walgett. Fair dinkum.
With the
Some
opal,
farmers put
it's
stones on
another
the edge of their
vastness.
block.
You
Stop
actually
their
can
paddocks
disappear
from
into
curling
that
up.
opal in the same way.
It's a concert at Walgett CWA. I saw so much talent that it blew me away. Screamers and dreamers, they come one by one, and we all got stoned Bundaberg rum. Now the mayor of the town, he sang horse with no name. From Brisbane sang pleasure and pain, and a dentist from Melbourne did a fill-in from Jaws. Stripper from Brisbane got all the applause. It's a concert at a Walgett CWA. I saw so much talent that it blew me away. Screamers and dreamers, they come one by one. We all got on Bundaberg rum. The Catholic Archbishop sang Holy Be Jesus. The butchers sang Meatloaf over again. And the cocky